Okay, another quick update for this distraction-free phone app. So I have this app where you can watch some YouTube videos. I have a silly one that's just loaded here right now, but the point of it is more for like study music videos and things like that, educational stuff. So if I just play this here inside of the app, I'll mute it. I can go full screen. Cool, right? There's a little Harry Potter. But there's a link here, right, where technically you could go and open this in YouTube. And what happens here, and what's really exciting about this, is what I've actually created through this process is a web browser with an allow list. So essentially, how do I say this? This is like a precursor to me having a separate application on here that, well, first of all, it keeps this application distraction free. But the other part of it is it allows for me to create a web browser that only can access certain sites. So we can make a list of like, you know, truly educational sites, truly sites that are like productivity based only, and allow those to be accessible on the device. So, really excited about that. I just let me get back here, and then I had a little back button. So I don't know. This is like, oh, the device is upside down. There we go. So I thought this was really interesting. Just added some random stuff here. So we have this app. People are familiar with this at this point. Um, so don't. This will not have my. This is I'm using the emulator right now. It's not going to have these applications here. I'm just testing this single application, which is the one that one of them that I'm including as I'm creating custom applications for this distraction-free phone. And so it just has a way to organize your movies, your Blu-ray movie collection, because I'm all about physical media. We have this distraction-free uh, app for YouTube videos. So basically, like there will be a certain amount of categories and videos to start out, and there is a password storage application here, which has I haven't talked about this in detail yet, but it has some implications for keeping your home distraction free. And we have this right now is a like kind of a place where this is where the current app store lives, and with this update, I've just made it so that let me get to some. You can enjoy a nice study music video or a little study video. I'm keeping them muted because of this copyright stuff, but um, you can have this on. You can put your phone into, let's say, landscape mode, if I can get this to working. Um, and we can go full screen. Oh, where'd it go? Not used to using my mouse to navigate this. Okay, here's our little coffee shop video. Let's go full screen. There we go. Sorry, play this. And what you can have with this too is you can plug this into a TV and then go ahead and watch this full screen video, and it's protected from you going and clicking on YouTube and just going over to youtube.com and viewing whatever is over there. So let me, there we go. Because it will block anything that's not in the allow list. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is a pretty major, has major implications for for the distraction-free phone. So like potentially I could add allow lists for certain banking websites, for example, certain education sites, for example, um, you know, certain things where it's like, okay, this is not a distraction, but it's something that's just useful that's available by a website.